It is a new month and it is all about you. I'm so excited about this open house. This is one of my favorite times in Dr. Nowak. What's really cool is this should be everybody's favorite time to come on in, because not only do they find out new procedures, new things to do to kind of get that reset and feel really good, but they can win a whole lot of stuff. So this open house is a little bit different because it's going longer than it's ever gone before.
Yeah, well, it's going longer, and instead of that fun live event with the decorations and the food and the fun and 200 people here, obviously in the pandemic we can't do that.
Yeah.
So we're going to do it virtually. So those live presentations, we're going to be doing them once a week. And then we're going to have an actual event day where we're going to give away some fun stuff.
Yeah, let's talk about all of the giveaways, because I was kind of going through the list and I'm like, wait a minute, you can go to Catalina on a trip, a Peloton. How do we get entered into all of this? How does it work?
Yeah, so we team up with the manufacturers. Normally the manufacturers will be here at that event, so there's some specials and promotions that are only going to happen during this time. So we have some fun things. So the people that take advantage of those specials and promotions, they get in that bin right over there, and that's where we're going to pull our winner for who's going to Catalina.
Like the lucky lotto bin
right there. So as you can see, there's some people that have already taken advantage.
Okay.
Right? Some people have got a head start on it, so we're actually doing double entries for the first 2 weeks.
Okay.
So for every $500 you spend, you get a ticket in there. So for the first 2 weeks, they get 2 tickets in there. So the people that do the body shaping, body sculpting, they get into the Peloton drawing.
I love my Peloton so much. That's a big win.
That's a big win, because we're going to help get you in shape, get you stronger, get you tighter, get you firmer, and we're going to help you keep it there with the Peloton.
Yeah, and the things that the Peloton doesn't help, the Dr. Nowak can help you out with.
Yeah, those stubborn areas we can take care of. You know, the Peloton will help keeping it there.
I think a lot of people love open house because they get some discounted rates, and then they can come in and find out some of the things that they've been wanting to do that maybe they've never tried before because financially they couldn't afford it. So this is a great time to be able to put all of those things into one basket.
That's great. So one of the promotions is the all therapy. You do the all therapy, the chin strap, the cheeks, the eyes. The brows, you get the eyes with Thermage for free. So that's the first time we've ever done a promotion like that before. So patients are loving that one.
Okay, you're making me think about my posture.
Your posture, yeah. It's like
And talk a little bit about what's popular right now. I know this is the time of year that people move into where they're like, oh, I'm actually might be out of the sun for a little bit, so I could do, this treatment or that one and work on any of the sun damage that I got during the summer.
So it's a warm day today, but the fall is coming. And so those lasers, so the vampire facials are a great thing. We got some promotions on the Clear and Brilliant, the fractional CO2 for the people that need a deeper rejuvenation or want to do more with that one procedure. So the lasers are a big treatment this time of the year, very popular.
I'm a huge fan of the vampire facial. I know it sounds scary, but hey, maybe, it's like Halloween, October. It's appropriate for this time of year.
Appropriate for all year, and it's a super easy thing. And if you've seen some of the videos online, it's not like that.
Yeah.
It's a very comfortable treatment, right?
Yeah, and it's not bloody. I don't know why that's a thing. It's because if you do it with your plasma.
We're drawing a vial of blood, but instead of putting blood on you, we're getting rid of the blood cells. We're taking the platelets, plasma, growth factors, giving them back to your skin to rejuvenate, to rebuild some collagen, help with the texture, help with the pigmentation. And as you know, it's an easy treatment.
I often say it's like Benjamin buttoning your face.
Yeah.
Which is what you do for all of us. Before we leave, what do people need to know? The dates and, kind of wrap up everything that they should know if they want to be part of this.
Yeah, so it starts right now. So all these specials are active online on our web store. There's some little codes where you can enter to sign up for the presentations, and that's going to happen every Thursday.
Okay.
And so they can take advantage. If they need to talk to us, they can text us pictures through our Clara HIPAA compliance system. We'll post the number right down below here, and they can text us a picture, or they have questions about their products, they can send us a picture of the products of what they're using, and we can make some recommendations, or they can set up a virtual or a real consultation with myself or one of the providers here.
I love it. Send those selfies to Dr. Nowak. We've been talking about self-care for all of this entire pandemic.
We need it.
Everybody needs it. And it's a little bit different for everybody, right?
Everyone has different concerns, different things, and we need something to help take care of ourselves. We've been through a stressful time period of the last year and a half, and so we need that little boost, something to take care of ourselves.
I love it. Take care of yourself. It's all about you. That's going to do it for us. A new month, a new you.